Forward Collision Avoidance Assist is a feature that detects vehicles, pedestrians, and bicyclists in front of your vehicle, warns you, and helps you brake when there's a risk of a collision. When turning left, if a risk of collision with an oncoming vehicle is determined, this feature will help you brake to prevent a collision. You can select whether to use each function in the driver assistance section of the vehicle settings. Lane Keeping Assist recognizes the lane ahead while driving at a certain speed. If you leave the lane without using your turn signal, it will warn you. When it detects that you're leaving your lane, it will help you steer and stay in your lane. While driving above a certain speed, Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist recognizes the vehicle behind you. When a collision risk is determined, it will notify you with a warning message and a warning sound. In addition, when changing lanes or exiting a parking space, it will help you brake to prevent a collision if your risk of collision increases. Safe Exit Assist recognizes vehicles from behind when a passenger opens the door to get out after the vehicle is stopped. If a collision risk is determined, it will notify you using a warning message and sound. Intelligent Speed Limit Assist utilizes the posted speed limit and navigation map data to notify the driver of the speed limit and additional sign information. This helps drivers comply with the speed limit on the road. Driver Attention Warning judges the driving pattern and driving time and provides a notification regarding the driver's level of attention, recommending a rest to the driver when their attention falls below a certain level in order to encourage safe driving. Blind Spot View Monitor uses a camera installed in the vehicle to display on the dashboard the image of the blind spot in the direction of the driver's turn signal to help make driving safer.
Kia, movement that inspires.